I thought this had to be a scam. Like, oh great, another stay-at-home mom side hustle where you have to buy in, bug your friends, or sell your soul for like $7. I almost scrolled past. Honestly, I did scroll past a lot. But something about it, it kept pulling at me. So I started digging, and what I found shocked me. You gotta understand, I've been burned before. I've signed up for things that made me big promises and delivered disappointment. So when I heard words like funnel and commission, I just rolled my eyes. I didn't want to join an MLM, sell to my friends, or pretend I was suddenly some crypto bro with a course. I just wanted to make income online that didn't feel gross. Something that I could do on my own time that didn't require being tech genius or talking to strangers on live every day. So here's what I found. It's called digital affiliate marketing. And before you freak out, let me break it down the way I understand it now. There are 4 digital products. You earn 100% commission when someone buys. The system teaches you how to share them through pre-built funnels and email. You don't need inventory. You don't need a team. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. The whole thing runs on simple truth. We recommend things that we love all the time. This just pays you for it. One night after another round of how am I going to pay for the groceries this week, I just decided to try it. It wasn't because I was convinced. It was because I had nothing else to lose, and I had everything to gain if it turned out to be real. I just watched the training and I followed the steps and I saw results. Not overnight, not millions, but real progress. Real sell, real proof. I could learn this. And that's when I realized it wasn't a scam, it was a skill. Want to know what the real scam is? Working 40 plus hours a week for 30 plus years, barely afford groceries while the cost of living skyrockets and your energy, it disappears. That is a scam. This is leverage. This is learning a skill that can grow as you grow. You're not just getting a product, you're getting a system, a mentor, a map, and a chance to build your own thing. Listen, if you're still skeptical, that's okay. You should be. Ask questions, be curious, but also don't ignore your gut. If your gut is telling you this might be the thing, don't silence it just because it's unfamiliar. Because everything in my life that changed me started with doubt and turned into growth. If you want to see exactly how this works, no fluff, I put a full breakdown in the link below. It's free, it's clear, and it might just be the thing that shifts everything. Or go to lorilegacy.com and see the information there. It's a totally free blueprint. I'm not going to push you. I'm just going to tell you the truth. That's what I wish someone would have done for me.